All right. The old Camino's back here. So we got the car back here. We just dropped it back off. We're gonna finish up this body work on this thing. He found another quarter, but we're probably not even gonna do nothing with that. All right, so from looking at that and looking at what we got, we're just gonna fix what we got. So ain't no sense wasting more time trying to think about buying quarters and fixing stuff. We're just gonna fix it and get it over with. Patch panels are already done. So we're gonna fix around the gas tank, fix this. Ray's coming tomorrow morning. He's gonna be working on this side, finishing that up. Right now I got the welder all out. Got all my stuff ready here. We're gonna fix this. I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna fix that side. I'm gonna fix a hole here in the bed. And then we'll finish fixing all this little mess here. And then we got some work to do on the roof real quick and finish that up. So right now we're just gonna be doing this here. Focus on this right now. Stitched back in. Big hole there. I'm going to put a piece behind all this and stitch all this back together. We got to bang this down to get that. There's a channel under here, like a steel channel, like the railing, the rail, the support rail. So you got to bang that down to get that, and then I'll weld those holes shut.
Filling the last hole.
some structure behind it.
We put a piece of metal behind it.
Grind it all up, and then we can put some Bondo on it and make a shape. Make it nice.
Then we'll start on this side. Gotta fix that hole.
This side was actually worse.
Oh yeah.
All right, good deal. All right, so this side's pretty much done. Got Josh starting on this side, patching the holes. I'm gonna start pulling on this light, starting to get that housing as close as we can, and then we'll be able to finish it off. Filling all these holes with metal. And then the next thing I'm going to do is this. This we got straightened out pretty much. We got it where we need it now. Fix the little tabs. I'm gonna weld this shut. Weld this shut. Should be good with that. You good?
Yep.
All right. All right. So on this, we're gonna cut these pieces out. We're gonna cut this back just like that, and then we'll make a new piece that has the same lip, and then put it in there and then weld it all the way around. I'll show you how that goes. Alright, so we got that all stitched up, fixed all the rips. I'm gonna grind all that down, flush again, clean. Look who's here today. Ray, say hello, Ray.
Hello, everybody.
Ray's finally back. See, what happened is it's too cold to work in his shop, so now he needs a place to go. So, so now he showed up over here, but he's gonna finish mudding that other side, and I'm gonna work on this right here.
Got it.
Hey, turn the air on.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm cutting this piece out.
Just hook up the electric to the.
No, I need this one.
Yeah.
Just turn the air on. that with stitching, and that's it. And now we're gonna drop this in from behind and fit it up in there. Should be perfect. All right. All right.
Got it tucked back there.
And that's it. We'll weld it all around.
Stitch it up. Alright, let me get the welder out.
Getting there. All right, that's done. Over here, we got that whole framework redone. So now all I got to do is fill it. Put the little indent here. And the gas cap door. All right. All right. So we got these welded up. Put a little lick or something right there. Clean that up. All right, so we got this all set. Got your little finger thing indent there. Lines are all good. This is all square. So it's all good to go. Got this piece done here. That's all done. Almost done with the side. Got a little bit more to go on the side. We're getting there. The roof's all done. That came out good. All right, here we go. All right, that's all done right there. Nice fit. Nice fit all the way around. So now the only thing left to do is when we do the quarter, then we'll get this line right here. And that's it.